Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the sales order process flowchart. A powerful tool that can streamline your sales operations and boost efficiency. Let's dive right into it. So, what exactly is a sales order process flowchart? Well, it's a visual representation of the steps involved in processing a sales order, from its initiation to final delivery. This chart outlines the sequence of activities, decision points, and the flow of information within your sales organization. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a sales order process flowchart. Firstly, it provides a clear and structured overview of your sales order process, enabling you to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. By having a visual representation, it becomes easier to communicate and collaborate with your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Moreover, a well-designed sales order process flowchart helps in minimizing errors and ensures that each step is followed consistently. It acts as a checklist, reducing the chances of missing any critical actions or required information during the sales order processing. To make the most out of your sales order process flowchart, here are a few best practices you should consider. Firstly, involve key stakeholders from your sales, operations, and finance departments in the design process. Their input will ensure that the chart reflects the reality of your organization. Secondly, use clear and concise labels for each step in the process. Avoid jargon or acronyms that may confuse team members. The chart should be easily understandable by anyone involved in the sales order process. Next, gather feedback from your team and iterate on the flowchart as needed. Your sales representatives are the ones on the front lines, so their input is invaluable for refining and optimizing the process. Regularly updating and improving your sales order process flowchart will keep it relevant and effective. Lastly, which industries can benefit from using a sales order process flowchart? Well, the truth is, any business that processes sales orders can benefit from this tool. Whether you're in retail, manufacturing, e-commerce, or even service-based industries, having a clear and streamlined sales order process is essential for customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and ultimately, your bottom line. To sum it up, a sales order process flowchart is a visual representation of the steps involved in processing a sales order. It brings numerous benefits, such as improved efficiency, reduced errors, and better collaboration. By following best practices and customizing it to your organization's needs, you can ensure smoother operations and satisfied customers. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.